Enter code. 1. Program 5. Enroll to 3. Set up auto dialer. 5. Enroll devices. 1. Remote. 3. Enroll 1. Enroll 1. Enroll. Enter module 1 through 8. Press the pound key to confirm. Press away key to exit. Enroll successful. Press the pound setting save. Enter module 1 through 8. Trigger module. Press away key. Enter module 1 through 8. Press the pound key to confirm. Press away key to exit. Enroll successful. Press setting save. Enter 1. Program exit system settings. System armed. Please exit now.
手机反光。看字幕就可以。
Enter code.